Okay guys, welcome back to Tesha's TV. So I'm just leaving work, heading home in a bit. So today they said that we should be experiencing a cold front weather. However, yes, we are experiencing it. But I'm feeling cool. I don't really see the need for a jacket. But me know a lot of Jamaicans right now, they are well covered in their jackets and everything. So maybe I could go too in all gloves and something, because I've seen some videos with some in some gloves and stuff like that. So today I ain't got much to do other than just go home. I need to get my hair pulled out and get it washed tomorrow. Wash, and then I am going to do some roast yam and some roast potato, or if you want to say baked yam and baked potato. But in a Jamaican, we don't need to set up this roast. So I go roast it outside on the cold stove with some saltfish. Some people might fry the saltfish, or you want to cook it down, whichever way you like it. But I'm going to cook down the saltfish. So tonight, I'm going to boil up the saltfish and leave it for overnight, or scald it off as Jamaican terms. But I'm going to boil off the excess salt from it. So guys, wherever you're at now, just have yourself a good time, a wonderful time. Enjoy the weekend with your family. Have a little family time where you guys can sit, talk, play, whatever it is, or just have fun. And so now it's time for doing the roast yam and roast potato. And then I'm gonna wrap it up with the salsa, but me and Steph bar up. No, no file. So they said put it on the fire just like this. Normally this what are your name again, Steph? Renta, soft yam. This nice when it boil with some saltfish, salt mackerel, red ring, whatever you like it with. It's very nice. So, and me want the yellow yam, so me get yellow yam, and I'm gonna do our potato. And then if all of them can fit, so sweet potato. Alright, hold on. You go like this, you know. Warm to the party. The party not to cover. You can just put on the same way. Alright. Trust the process. The first time actually I roast yam. And this baby can fit some about. Steph, you ever eat roast yam before I eat it?
Yeah, roast yam. Mommy used to roast it in the evening, like when she cooking dinner. And the yam on top boiling, she just take up one and just push it under the wood fire.
Oh, so while it's boiled, you put it on by
No, when she cooking dinner.
Oh.
So you know, hungry bites, you just roast one of the yam quick time before the pot finish.
Back in the days, people.
Yes,
Yeah,
so,
I never know
so
that.
she would have just take up one of the piece of the renta yam. Because when you used to dig renta yam, you saw some nice little piece, some straight piece.
Like
So
them there are.
like those.
Oh.
So she would just put it under the wood fire, because we used to cook on wood fire most time, and roast it.
So before cold stove and wood that people
Yes,
used to
wood fire, yeah, wood fire. And she would burn right around it, and then she would stick it with the knife to see if it's cooked, to roast.
Well, you know some people that wrap it up with file
We,
and bore up the file.
look man, we didn't know anything about fire. We just stick it under the fire like that, and roast it.
So with this now just turn it.
Yes,
turn
burn
and
it
stick
right around.
So now make no hole in there like to make it steam. You put some hole
When
in
you
there.
would, well, after you see it turn black right around, you would try it to see if it inside gets soft. You would stick it with a knife and see how soft it is.
So guys, that's my first time I roast yam. So me and Steph are going to roast yam. She must can remember from her mother days roasting yam. So here we have outside One is like your coal stove. This, you always have to get a coal stove in our house. What if gas done? So stay tuned, guys, and make a roast yam together.
So like when you have finished roast and so if you don't have any butter at home or we at the time when I was growing up, we never really have butter per se like that or saltfish. So when mommy roast it, she will cut it and put like a coconut oil in there, or you could use like a salt and sprinkle in there and eat it. And that would be so nice.
Some used to do with breadfruit.
Yeah, but you can do that with breadfruit too, but you know when you have yam, I used to eat a lot of
Rinta.
yes, and siblings like. So we used to do that. Mommy used to do that in the evening, so that we could just get that quick before dinner ready. So she would just give that as a what you call it, a pepper.
You know, people used to do with even like boiling food, then drink some of the pot water.
Yeah, I used to drink it.
So
too.
before dinner done, they might drink out some of the pot water.
Yeah, I used to do that too. Mommy used to give it. We used to drink it. And it used to
Me
be so
never,
nice.
never drink pot water
We
before.
used to drink pot
But
water.
you know, the and I go say back in the days, my younger folks from back then, they must know about that. Okay guys, so now I prep my vegetables them to the saltfish. So I love my carrot in my saltfish. Love when it string off and line off like that. So here I have my tomato, onion, pepper, carrot, and I know sweet pepper. Somebody buy one sweet pepper for me, so sweet pepper will be here soon. You know, say saltfish are feel colorful and pretty and nice with the roast yam. How do it look like you want when it get black? Steph say when it get black, you don't really fit turn it. It don't look so. It then good. I think she said when it get black, I trust the process. So go on, my first time roasting yam. So let me see how me go on. Needs to go. Okay guys, so now it's time to turn the yam. So I use a spatula. Now burn up my hand. Turn the yam and the potato. It look good. It's coming on good. That's Steph. Stephanie, come here. Let's see. I ask Stephanie because she said she's roast yam back then. Her mother used to cut piece and put in a fire for taste and stuff like that. So, remember me say me a roast yam? How never go on? It's good? Tesha, so I'm here with my uptown style. I use this because this stuff I come so. No.
Tish!
Oi,
Every week here I cook and I get none of the food, you know. May I come to mine today.
Joe.
Because I see it happening on the internet.
Alright,
YouTube
true,
lively.
So girl,
Touch me, girl. So what's for lunch?
I do roast yam and saltfish.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, I will enjoy that one.
What I did do last week, you never eat.
Yes,
Yeah, but
yes,
that one,
I watched it. I
You never
saw.
eat it.
Yes.
So,
So So this week, I'll be enjoying it. I'll tell you guys about it, alright?
Right true.
Right through.
What go on, sir? What go on, sir? What go on, sir, now? What go on on Tesha TV this morning?
Me do roast yam and saltfish.
Roast yam and morning, guys. Morning, man. Roast yam and saltfish. Cha. A long time I don't see them something, you know. You know, say, this remind me of like when you used to there. I got Clarendon, Manchester, them place there. At them place alone, you see them sitting on the roadside and you see yam and the roast saltfish, you know.
Well, they see it today, yeah, see
Yeah,
it
that
today.
come like I'm two places alone where I go see it. I go see it on the road, there Clarendon or Manchester and on Tesha TV. So as I say people, go see them there. Ja. They look fruity though, you know.
That's the ice up the ice up from off of the stove. Get it on the grill.
You want the kind of bake like.
Yes.
Oh, you want to catch the you don't want it burn up. You want
And
to
you
cook,
put it out, yeah,
soak
you want to
inside.
soak, yeah.
Yeah man, the realest
So
man.
some people might use the foil and wrap it up, forget that. But Jamaican way, panic was stove, so just ice it up now for steam then go through.
And when you don't know, you just scrape your ass nice.
You know.
Bust in too. Little saltfish, yes, little saltfish, that's so.
Or some people might use even butter and put butter.
Or a little salt.
Or salt and steps
Even
there.
little salt, even little cooking oil.
Cooking island.
You understand?
Too much cholesterol and
Yeah, but all time people don't really watch them something, you know. You have to
well, you have
understand,
to
you know.
watch it.
Yeah, we nowadays have kind of watch it, so we
have
don't
to
really do
watch
it that way. But yeah, man, saltfish.
First time doing it, not going through bad. That's the ice up still. Okay, nice. So continue to stay tuned, people, and watch what go on.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze. The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers
Here now, you see, I tell you say, no, I not left till the roast yam done. I not left till the last piece come off of the fire, you understand? So I there get all involved. So right about now, the process is we have scrape off the yam, take off some of the blackness and some of the outer shell. The yam are going to roast so much that you can almost eat all the skin, you know. So I'm going to scrape off some of the outer covering and put it down back on the fire to soak in some more so it can kind of cook some more and so on. So catch me while I scrape. Yeah man, you have to make sure say you take out, you see much something and flake off and thing, you have to ensure say you catch all of, take off all of them flakings there. So the yam can get the soak in. Can soak right down to the inside. Yeah man, so that one is almost finished. You know. And it come like even the process of roasting it almost finished because it kind of feels soft. You understand? So I just for the skin kind of soak and one. You know? You get the real cook down. So we done scrape off the one I say look. Semi clean. Put it back on the fire now. Take off them say that one are the yellow one. The yellow inside. The yellow yam. And the yam are kinda indigenous or we would have said now say. It localized especially to down the country, Trelawney and those places. It don't really grow the eastern side of Jamaica, it grow mostly the western part. You understand? It's a piece of yam or type of yam that a lot of persons enjoy, especially with saltfish and mackerel and various things. You understand? So that one is the yellow yam. It's different from the others. Others are what they call rent or soft yam. You understand? So I scrape off the excess flakes. Put it back on the fire. Take off the next one.
Okay guys, so finish scrape off the yam. And so yam to look when I done scrape it, all the skin they can eat. This it burn too much, so I forgot just peel it off and eat it like that. So now I'm gonna take off this and put on the pot for my saltfish. So just remember you can have your roast saltfish with your roast yam, but I'm gonna cook up the saltfish. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so now it's time for my saltfish. But do remember I said you can roast your saltfish or escovitch it. But me I cook up my own. So my onion, I love my carrot. Some people don't put carrot in theirs, but I love mine. And add in some pepper too. Yeah, so make all of this get in the flavor and everything. I have my tomato, and my sweet pepper, but I'm not ready for those as yet. So now I'm going to cover this pot and let these steam, and then I add in my saltfish to it. So guys, now it's time for my saltfish. I had some water to the pot, just a little for the carrots then to steam. Roast yam and saltfish. You can roast this saltfish too, as I say. You roast saltfish, you put it under the same way, maybe on top on the grill, or some people might put it same in the. I think maybe they wrap it in the foil paper. Maybe I think it maybe can go so, or you push it same way under the fire. So now I finish my saltfish and my roast yam and my sweet potato. I had to peel it because the skin outer part they burn. So share with me your saltfish and roast yam. You can have it this way or any way that you like. you love pepper, you know, you can always add some pepper if you're not too spicy enough for you. So my first time roasting saltfish or yam. So you're not bad. Turned out nice. I can't wait to taste this. I'm not going to say Tesha taste. Let me see. Let me taste please. But it actually even tastes better than when you boil to me. It tastes nice. I'll do it again. I can eat the skin. Out for me, more to eat the skin, but I peel it off. But Jamaicans, them normally would eat the skin. Continue to watching Tesha's TV. Okay guys, so now I share Miss Nadine food. She said first she gonna eat Sylvan's yam. So she normally eat the roast yellow yam.
Yes.
So
Alright, I'm a tester for the day.
me would I prefer the yellow yam.
Presentation bad girl, let me get into it. Let me get into it.
You know I'm all
If
about
the
that.
taste is like the looks. With the pepper and the colour.
Right, true.
Wait. That was too small. That's too small for a taste.
Then say you can eat the skin of the yam. Would you eat the skin? Would I peel it off?
No, I have to try it the right way.
Eat the skin, Jamaican.
I get the roughage and everything. Yeah, you know, I fly down for this. Don't
That's truth. Guys, go subscribe and fly
I
down.
I flew down for this.
She flew down for this. First time, yeah guys, so first time roasting this yam. This is potato, roast potato. They're really nice. I love it. Yeah guys, so continue to watching Tesha's TV and big up to my new subscribers them. And if you haven't subscribers yet, please go and do so right now. So guys, roast
I'm
yam.
enjoying. Go girl.
Roast yam and saltfish. You can roast the saltfish too, but
Yeah.
I prefer to do the
I love
cook
it.
way. Right, bye.